But if you wanted to get tempted, go to Sirens instead.
Oncoming riders, please enter the train carefully. Once you are seated, do not hold down the lap bar. An associate will lower it for you. Riders on the platform, please step back.
Thank you.
The gates will be closing. Ensure your seatbelt is fastened and tightened securely against your body with at least 1/2 inch of black button showing. If you need assistance, notify the associate.
No, I don't. No, it doesn't matter. Enjoy the ride. Whoa.
I love these lifts. I prefer them. We're going to keep it wide.
Oh, wow. We're already at the top.
Dude, it's so fast.
Well, they just replaced the motor as well.
Oh, is that why it's so quick?
Yeah. Here we go. Whoa! Oh yeah.
Huh? Better in the front.
Oh hell yeah, it's better in the front, dude. You get a lot more force when you're going into those hills.
Oh yeah. The drop will stop. Color started to
When the train comes to a complete stop, push up on your lap bar. Carefully to your right.